Thank you, Chelsea, for going over the computations with rational numbers and estimations. Within the rational number system, there are many different properties, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Hi, my name is Heather, and today I'd like to go over estimations and mental arithmetic with you. Estimations are easy, either whether you're working with whole numbers or even fractions. My example on the left, 18,765, is going to round up to 19,000 because the 7 that's in the hundredths place is higher than 5, so you would round up. On the other hand, 34,344 is going to round down to 34,000 because the 3, which is in the hundredths place, is lower than 5, so you wouldn't round up, you'd round down. You can also use estimations when it comes to fractions. So in this example, estimating for mixed numbers, you'd round to the nearest whole number. So 4 and 1/6 plus 3 and 7/8. How would you round those? Well, first you would look at 4 and 1/6, and 1/6 is closer to 4 than it is to 5, so you would keep it a 4. On the other hand, 3 and 7/8, you only need 1/8 to make that a whole number, so you would round up to 4. So your estimation for 4 and 1/6 plus 3 and 7/8 is going to be 8. 4 plus 4. Now, when it comes to mental arithmetic, it's basically looking at a problem and being able to solve it in your head. So if we take 88 plus 56, for me, it would be easier to go ahead and round that 88 up to 90. So you're adding 2 to it. So you do 90 plus 56 equals 146. Well, that's not going to give you the answer for 88 plus 56. So since you added 2 in order to get the 90, you would take the 146 and subtract 2, and you get 144. A couple of other examples of mental arithmetic are looking at this pie chart. You have a circle that's divided into 4 equal places. Now, one of those is shaded in. So just by looking at it, you know that this pie chart is representing 1/4. The same with decimals. You can also look at decimals and pretty much be able to figure out what the fraction is. This one's easy, but we're just going to do 0.5. So you know that that's going to be 1/2. So the fraction that's represented is 1/2. Mental arithmetic can actually be used when you're looking at, flashcards or just simple addition problems. It's things that you already know, and they kind of help pull little things out so you're able to answer the questions or equations or problems a lot easier. Some people, it's a little harder for mental math, but once you get a hang of it, you know what you're looking at, and you can kind of figure it out as you go. I came across a quote that talked about mental math, and it says, "Our main goal in mental math is that students recognize their options and build flexibility, not that they work each calculation quickly." And like I said, some students are going to look at a question, problem, equation, and they're going to know right off the bat what that answer is. And a lot of the other ones, it's going to take them a little longer. So just remember, it builds their own flexibility. Not everyone is the same. So I hope that my presentation kind of helped you understand estimations and mental arithmetic just a little bit more than you did before. And now Akeisha is going to go over properties of the order relation and the density property of rational numbers. Thank you.